Hello, my name is Marco. I'm one of the founders here at Secta Labs. I'm very excited to give you a demo of our Teams product. We spent time building this with companies like Hubspot, Suzy and Apple Home, and just to nail those on-brand styles. And that's what I'm going to give you a demo of today, the entire product. And so just to start off, what you can expect to get out of this video is you can get a feel of how it works, how we make it easy for you as a team admin, how the on-brand styles work, how you can choose them, and ultimately how the billing works, any questions that you could have there, and where you can get help. So when you visit the new team link, this is the page that you'll come to. You'll have to sign up, and then you can create your team name. I'm not going to do that now, but after this step, you'll be able to invite two other people on, and this is on a 7-day trial. So you have zero commitment. You can just add these other people and experience the entire product without doing any kind of payment. This is quite key for us because we feel the product sort of speaks for itself, and so we want to stand behind that. And so, as soon as you've created the team, the next page that you'll come to is here. This is your team dashboard, all-in-one control. The first place to start here on this page would be creating your own gallery as the team admin. I have already done that here. So as you can see, I've already trained the AI model here. Every single person that you invite on the team will be available here. This is where their shared images will actually come up. So once you've created your own gallery, or even prior to that, you can explore this here, which is your on-brand kind of headshots. And this is where you'll be able to select your actual brand colors, and we train the AI on these colors. Of course, they're not exactly those colors every time, but we try to match them and provide a small amount of actual variation so that you can see what that actually looks like. So here, I'm just going to select a bunch of colors and some blue, some red, and I'm going to say train brand colors. So once you've done that, you cannot undo that. Here, this will now unlock where you can generate with the actual model. So here you'll get access to me as the sort of demo kind of default model. We're going to be adding other ones, and any other team admins on the page. And then you can, of course, select the actual brand color. You can choose the expression, and you can choose different styles of clothing. We keep the clothing categories sort of high level so that you get a variety of pictures within every single one of these that you can actually choose from. Now, over time, we'll be adding more specifics. So I'm going to go business casual here and generate preview. Now I can do a couple of these. So I would suggest going ahead, generating a couple of previews at the same time. As soon as your own gallery is done, then you'll be able to select your own gallery to see this with. So you don't have to use me as a kind of preview model. Once the previews are done, I'm just going to select this here. Add to package, you'll be able to add 4 different ones. Each preview, of course, will generate each of the styles, will generate about 100 to 150 pictures for every style. So actually, once you select 4 styles, you get about 400 pictures that will get sent out to the actual team. And so as soon as you click confirm, this is like a one-way thing. You can't go back here. You'll be able to send all of these on-brand styles out. And I'm going to show you what actually happens when the users create their galleries and when they select the images that they would like to share. So the first thing I just want to say here is you'll be able to see a status of every single user. And the key things, of course, are once they accept the invite, they'll get an invite mail from us and where they are on uploading their pictures. And then, of course, once they are done, they'll be able to share their kind of photos with the company. And so that's the key thing, is they'll be able to share the images that they've received as part of their on-brand shoot. This is an example of the user gallery, in this case, Captain America. And you'll see, so this is definitely the on-brand style that I trained basically previously, very much this blue style here. You'll see this blue is more kind of matched to what we have, and there's some extra variation, like this dark blue isn't the one that we want, but these ones are the kind of extremely similar ones that we want to see. So as soon as the user saves these, they will become available here in your team gallery. And as soon as you open them up, you can download these pictures and you can use them for kind of social media or anywhere else. I'll touch briefly on these other functions. On the members, this is where you can add more people. As I say, you have 3 accounts for free, no obligation. And if you want to add more, you come onto the kind of billing page. It is all on like a once-off purchase. There's no subscription here. That about completes it. If you need help at any time, you have a dedicated support person here. And I'm around, so you can always send me a mail with any support and any kind of questions. So that's about it. And if you have stayed with me until the end of this video, thank you for taking the time. I hope you tried the product. I hope you have an amazing experience. And thank you.